Hey guys, how's it going? On today's video, I want to do a quick shop update, project update, E30 update, a little bit of everything of what's been going on and why I haven't been posting lately, either on my Instagram. I've been posting a lot of my stories, but it's just mostly been parts, and why I have not been posting the finishing up of the sway bar install. I still have a coilover install, the cluster video, a few other videos, the shifter, solid mount shifter, and a few other videos that I am way behind on. So let's start with what's at the shop right now. I have a E30 sedan outside that I just did a interior swap on. It's a 325e with an I motor. I'm either going to take the I motor out because it needs some work and swap an E motor back in, or I'm just going to leave it and fix it and sell it. But that car will be for sale. I'll put a picture right here. This is an E46 M3 that I'd like to keep, but too many projects. So at the time of this video, it is for sale. I do have the S50 E30 back. I had sold it, and I got it back. So I am going to do what I did to the red E30 and redo all the suspension components. I'm not doing 5-lug, so I'll have a full another series on refreshing your stock E30 suspension. So reinforced subframe, powder coated trailing arms, and all that goodness before we swap a motor into it. So this car is on rollers, sketchy rollers. Love this blue houndstooth interior. Kind of looks gray on camera. I have the carpet, a brand new carpet over there, blue carpet. So this car is chilling until I send all this stuff off to get reinforced and to powder coating, and then I send the car off to paint, at least the engine bay. It's not pretty whatsoever, and then I might paint the car. I do like how the car looks with this dark blue, although the paint job is awful. So that's kind of where this is, and it'll eventually get worked on once that E30 other sedan leaves. So what's been going on with this car? Because it looks awfully sad and nothing's been going on. Don't worry about that. That's for another video. It runs great. It drives great. I need to finish messing with the sway bar in the front, as going through the canyons, it breaks the front loose quite often. So I'm in the middle of the 3 settings, so I gotta move it to the first setting, which I will show in the sway bar install video. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, car absolutely rips. I did sell the Brahms, still have the harnesses, but with everything I've done to this car, I kind of wanted to get fixed back seats, just a little bit of safety and a peace of mind, especially with the half cage. There's really no point of reclining because there is not much you can do anywhere when sitting. So the seats have sold. I already know what seats I'm getting. I'm waiting on a few other things first before I get the seats, but they're local, so that's an easy pickup. I don't know if I ever showed this, and the audio, let's turn the flash on. I have a custom red solid mount shifter from Garagistic. I want to thank you to the boys over there, always helping me out and getting stuff done. And then obviously we have the rest of the cage, Macaw Motorsport door cards, the cluster video, which I got working and everything seems to be good. I'd like to do some more updates, but I want to get that video out, so I'll probably film that actually after this video. The dash, I changed stuff up too much. I have a little bit of a problem with that, but I do have a new dash coming. So this one is for sale. This is a 2M AutoWorks FRP dash. So it's fiberglass, pretty much. It's flocked. It does come with the HVAC delete panel. So if you guys are interested, hit me up at the Mass Driver. As for the engine bay, Everything is the same. Nothing's changed. Thing's a trooper. I guess I have a little bit of an oil leak at the bottom there with my red 46 skid plate. But other than that, rips. Spent this back to a stock airbox because California, and I don't really care to get barred or have to take this thing to get not barred, state reffed. Don't want to deal with it. Stock airbox and stock headers. I will be upgrading headers, but we won't talk about that. So that's it for that. And then I have a M-Tech 2 kit. Finally, I have a full M-Tech 2 kit. Let me turn the flash off. Right here, front and rear bumper. The spoiler is on the roof there. And then I have the side skirts and door pods right there. So finally have the kit to make the car look pretty. So I just got to find time to get this all mocked up, get exactly how I want it, and then basically send the car off to paint. And we'll call it a day. I'll be finally happy how the car looks. So I got to get that welded as usual. But yeah, so there's the E30, there's the S50 E30, that's the next project right there, so that's a hint, and then this thing is going, so that's the update, a ton of stuff to do. Sorry I have not been posting, but yeah, that's about it. I do want to say a massive thank you to all my sponsors. Two of them are not on here, Classic Euro Parts and Shadowline Motorsport. I need to get you guys a sticker on the car. But I do want to thank Mishimoto, Purell, Garagistic, and ECS Tuning for supporting all the builds. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or need any parts, put it down below. And have a great day.